I'm Hilary Maricle. We're at Maricle Family Farms south of Albion, Nebraska, and we are just working our cows and calves today, getting them ready to go out to pasture to be on grass for the summer. We're giving them a shot. It's called Preg Guard, just to make sure they stay healthy so that they can get pregnant with that next calf. And then we're also putting on Poron, which is just to keep any parasites, bugs, flies away, internally and externally. She's an older cow, so this is pretty old hat for her. We do this every year, and they just run through the chute, and then we'll load them up in the trailer and haul them out to the pasture. What we're feeding them right now are just called range cubes. They're an alfalfa pellet that we use kind of like candy. We use it to tame them down. This time of the year in the spring, as you can see, they have plenty of grass, and so they don't need the alfalfa on top of it, but they like them. And it helps us tame them down, particularly with our young heifers, which are the new moms. Good job. When we feed out our calves, we do all grain fed. They'll be on grass all summer, they'll grow on the grass, and then when we wean them, separate the cows and the calves, we will go ahead and put those calves into the lot and give them corn, which does make them gain faster, and that's how we get our corn-fed Nebraska beef, which is one of our favorite meals. Here, give her those and then we'll get some more out.